guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna be installing a new front bumper I have for the Z. It's a Nismo style front bumper. Yes, it's Duraflex. I went with the cheap option. I don't want to put a lot of money into this car. I'm on a budget. So just stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, and enjoy the video. Peace. This is the bumper, Duraflex Nismo style. Later on I'm gonna color this black because it looks fucking weird. So like this black, maybe somewhere here black. But so far my headlight be broken, so I did some zip tie shit to hold the fender. Now I'm just gonna put these on. They go here somewhere. What is this? This is the left. So this other side right here, something like this. And then this gets held on under there, but it's broken, so I'm gotta mock up the bumper and then put this under it and place some holes so I could drill them, which I'm gonna do right now. So I did put the bumper on, and I just had it getting held on by like 2 clips and a zip tie. So this is what I'm working on right here. I need to make it, you know, as flush as I could, because it's not gonna be flush. It's, you know, a Duraflex bumper, so I gotta fucking mock this up under here. So I'm gonna just do that real quick off camera. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, take the bumper off and drill the holes, and then add those little brackets onto there. This is where I'm gonna be drilling it. As you can see, those 2, and then these 2. I'm gonna just go in the middle.
Just you fuck this shit up, bro.
It's on. I ended up just putting 1 screw in here because the other one didn't fucking line up somehow. I thought I did it perfectly, but same for the other side. So it's getting held on by 1 side, and then this bracket right here. You guys probably can't see, but and this looks decent for fucking Duraflex. The only con, or the only flaw, is I think this is too out. But I tried to put it in as much as I could. I already cracked it a bit, and you can see the other headlight over here has a lot of gap, I think. Yeah, this one right here. But besides, bro, once I get my wheels to come out a bit more, like that, it'll look fucking nice. Just look at this shit. What up, what up? I'm about to show you guys the car. I just came to visit my mom. So we're out here eating. I'm gonna show her the car too. Don't judge me, but the food's all on the floor and shit. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all in a bit. Do some little B-rolls if there's not many people around. I'll show y'all in a bit. Peace.